হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আজকে আমি আপনাদের সাথে যেই রেসিপিটা শেয়ার করব, এই রেসিপিটা আমার মেয়ে করেছে। আশা করছি আপনাদের কাছে রেসিপিটি ভালো লাগবে। চলুন তাহলে রেসিপিটা দেখে আসি।
Hi, I'm Saraf, and today I will be making shell pasta, but you can use any pasta shape you'd like. First, cut up some chicken or any type of meat you'd like. I decided to cube my chicken. Season your meat to taste and then let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Here I'm adding a little bit of honey because it caramelizes nicely and gives the chicken a nice crunch. Salt your pasta water and then cook according to instructions. Drain your pasta and put it aside for later. Now for the sauce, heat up some oil and fry up some chopped onions and garlic. Now add some spices to taste. I'm using chili powder and crushed red pepper. Cook the chicken for about 10 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Now I'm adding some tomato sauce, but you can also use tomato paste or crushed tomatoes. Cook the sauce for about 5 minutes until it is fully incorporated with the chicken. Add in heavy whipping cream and stir well. I'm adding Parmesan cheese, but you can use any type of cheese you'd like. Mix until everything is incorporated well and then add the boiled pasta. Once you've added the pasta, cook for another 5 to 6 minutes to thicken the sauce. Garnish with Parmesan and parsley and enjoy! Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to my mom's channel and like, comment, and share. Thank you!